Good morning, class. Today we will do chapter 3, Accounts of Partnership Firms, Fundamentals. In this chapter we will learn calculation of interest on drawings. Now, there are three different methods that can be followed for calculating interest on drawings. One, direct method. Second, product method. And third, average period method. Formula used to calculate the interest on drawings under direct method is interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into time. Now let's see the direct method. Illustration 11. Valen is a partner who withdrew rupees 20,000 on 1st April 2018. Interest on drawings is charged at 10% per annum. Calculate the interest on drawings on 31st December 2018 and pass journal entries by assuming fluctuating capital method. Now here on 1st April 2018, Valen has withdrawn rupees 20,000. Rate of interest is 10%. The closing date is 31st December 2018. So after calculation of interest, we have to pass journal entries also. Now let's look at the solution. Interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into time. This is the formula. So 20,000 is amount of drawings. Rate of interest is 10% to 10 by 100. Time, it is from April to December. So 9 months. 9 by 12. And it gives the answer 1,500. Now let's see the journal entries. So this is the format. You have the date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. So on the date you write 2018 December 31, the closing date. And in particulars, Valen's capital account, debit 1,500. To interest on drawings, credit 1,500. And the narration is interest on drawings charged. Now the next entry, the date is the same. So interest on drawings account debit 1,500 to profit and loss appropriation account 1,500, and the narration is interest on drawings account closed. Now let's look at another illustration. Illustration 12. Arun is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he drew as follows. Now there's a chart given, date and amount. The date is March 1, the amount withdrawn is 6,000. June 1, the amount withdrawn is 4,000. September 1, the amount withdrawn is 5,000. December 1, and the amount withdrawn is 2,000. So they've asked us to calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Now let's see the solution. Interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into time. So this is the formula. So first we write withdrawal on March 1, that is the amount of drawings 6,000 into the rate of interest 12 by 100. Now the time March 1 to December, it is 10 months. So 10 by 12, which gives us the answer 600. Then withdrawal on June 1, 4,000 amount of drawing, rate is 12% and the time is 7 months. How did we get the 7? From June to December, 7 months. So we get the answer 218. Withdrawal on September 1, we have 5,000 amount of drawings, rate of interest is 12 and the time from September to December 4. So 4 by 12. So it is 200. Then withdrawal on December 1, 2,000 into 12 by 100 and 1 by 12. 1 by 12, December, 1 month. Now we find the total. So total interest on drawings will be 1,100. So this is your answer. Now the next. Illustration 14. Rajan is a partner who withdrew rupees 30,000 during the year 2018. Interest on drawings is charged at 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings. So let's look at the solution. Here 30,000 he has withdrawn during the year. Which month they have not told us. And the drawing is 10%. So we have to calculate the interest. So the solution, interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into time. This is a formula. So 30,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12, which gives us 1500. Why? Because the date of drawing is not given. So interest is always calculated for an average period, which is 6 months. Now let's see the second product method. Now illustration 15. Anbu is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he drew as follows. Now the chart is given with date and amount. In the date you have March 1, 6,000, June 1, 4,000, and September 1, 5,000, and December 1, 2,000. So this is how he has withdrawn the amount. Now you have to calculate the amount of interest on the drawings using the product method. So let's see the solution for this. Calculation of interest on drawings under the product method. So we have a table. First date of drawings, then the amount of withdrawn, then period up to December 31st, which is calculated in terms of months, then product. And the date of drawings we write all the month, March 1, June 1, September 1, December 1. The amount withdrawn which is given, we copy that down, 6,000, 4,000, 5,000, and December 2,000. Now we come to period up to 31st of December. So from March 1 to December 31, how many months? 10 months. From June 1 to December 31, how many months? 7. September 1 to December, how many months? 4. December 1 to December 31 is 1 month. Product. Now in the product we are going to multiply amount withdrawn and the period up to December 31. So 6,000 into 10, 60,000, 4,000 into 7, 28,000, 5,000 into 4, 20,000, 2,000 into 1, 2,000, and this is sum of the product, which is equal to 1,10,000. Now we do the interest. Interest on drawings is equal to sum of product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. So sum of the product is 1,10,000, rate of interest is 12% into this 1 by 12, and we get the answer 1,100. Now let's see the third, that is the average method. The average period is calculated with the help of the following table. Now let's look at the table. Frequency of withdrawal at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Frequency of withdrawal, we have the monthly. At the beginning the amount is, the period is 6.5 months. In the middle it is 6 months. At the end it is 5.5 months. Then quarterly, at the beginning it is 7.5 months. In the middle it is 6 months. At the end it is 4.5 months. Half yearly, at the beginning it will be 9 months. In the middle it is 6 months. At the end it is 3 months. Now let's see one illustration to understand. Illustration 16. John is a partner in a firm. He withdraws ₹1,000 per month regularly. Interest on drawings is charged at 5% per annum. Calculate the interest on drawings using average period if he draws 1 at the beginning, 2 in the middle of every month, 3 at the end of every month. So now let's look at the question. He withdraws 1,000 per month and the interest is charged at 5%, and these are the 3 conditions. Okay, now let's look at the question solution. The solution at the beginning of every month. So the average period is 6.5. At the beginning of every month, the average period is 6.5. So total drawings is 1,000 per month, 1,000 into 12. So 12,000 is the total drawings in a year. So the formula interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. So 12,000 into rate of interest 5%, 5 by 100, average period is 6.5 divided by 12, you get 325. Now the second condition, in the middle of every month, average period will be 6 months. So the total drawings 1000 into 12, it is 12,000. The formula interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate of interest into average period by 12. So 12,000 into 5 by 100 into 6 by 12, which gives us the answer 300. And the third one, at the end of every month, so the average period will be 5.5 months. So the total drawings is again 1000 into 12, 12,000. Formula interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate of interest into average period by 12. So 12,000 into 5 by 100 into 5.5 by 12, which gives us 275. Well, that's all for today.